Hello guys and welcome back to Ama's Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Minecraft server not responding, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can simply do is just open up your task manager and just forcefully close Minecraft, because that also kind of restarts it in a way. So if you don't know how to do that, you can either just type in task manager in the bottom left search bar or just hit Control Shift and Escape at the same time. It should be right under apps. You can right click on it and hit add task. Anyways, once you hit end task and you start the game back up, you can start up Minecraft, check to see if that fixes the issue. And the other thing that you guys can do is reset your internet connection as well, because it could also be like due to like internet reasons. So just restart your internet connection, which you can just do by unplugging the power cord from your router for about 30 seconds to a minute and then plugging it back in. And I also highly recommend restarting your PC right after. And once you do all of these things, you guys should be good to go. And you can always make sure and check to see if that the servers are up, because if like Minecraft servers are down in general, then there really isn't much you can do other than wait. So yeah, you can also check to see if that the servers are down as well. But anyways, once you're done with all of these steps, you guys should be good to go and you are all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.